Many of us have been taught that working hard is the key to success and wealth. But is that really the case? According to the book Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, working hard for a paycheck is not enough to become wealthy. So we will be discussing 5 keys to become wealthy and financially free. Step 1. The importance of financial education. One of the most important lessons from Rich Dad Poor Dad is the value of financial education. Kiyosaki emphasizes that traditional schooling does not teach us how to manage money, invest, or build wealth. He encourages readers to seek out financial education by reading books, attending seminars, and learning from successful investors and entrepreneurs. Step 2. The difference between assets and liabilities. Another key concept in Rich Dad Poor Dad is the difference between assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki defines an asset as something that puts money in your pocket, while a liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. He encourages readers to focus on acquiring assets, such as rental properties or stocks, that generate passive income and increase in value over time, rather than liabilities, such as cars or expensive homes, that drain your finances. Step 3. Building passive income streams. Kiyosaki argues that building passive income streams is the key to financial freedom. He encourages readers to look for ways to create passive income, such as investing in real estate or starting a business, rather than relying solely on earned income from a job. By building passive income streams, you can achieve financial independence and have the freedom to live the life you want. Step 4. The power of entrepreneurship. Rich Dad Poor Dad also emphasizes the power of entrepreneurship in creating wealth and achieving financial freedom. Kiyosaki encourages readers to start their own businesses, rather than relying on a job, as a way to build assets and generate passive income. He shares his own experiences starting and growing businesses, and emphasizes that entrepreneurship requires hard work, risk-taking, and a willingness to learn from failure. Step 5. Use debt wisely to build wealth. The author argues that debt can be a powerful tool for building wealth, as long as it is used wisely. Instead of taking on debt for consumer goods or other non-essential items, the author suggests using debt to invest in income-generating assets that will ultimately pay for themselves. For example, taking out a mortgage to buy a rental property that generates positive cash flow can be a smart way to build wealth over time. However, the author emphasizes the importance of being careful with debt and avoiding high-interest loans or credit card debt that can quickly spiral out of control. By following these 5 steps, readers can begin to shift their mindset around money, build their financial literacy, and take concrete steps towards achieving their financial goals. It's important to take consistent, intentional action towards them, even if it's just one small step at a time. All the best, champs. I believe in you.